In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit saved marketing email templates in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your marketing email that you wish to edit. I have right here my email. You can find it by going over to marketing and clicking on email right here. Now, once you're in there, the next thing you need to do is just need to manage the templates that you have available. Click on the email tools and you can see right here that you can choose some emails that you want available and also edit out some things that you don't have one yet. So for this case, you can also click onto this search and proceed to search for templates. You can see right here your message templates, so head over and click on that. So once you're in there, you just need to click onto this new template for your actual email, or you can also edit a new one. You can edit a new template from your library or from scratch as well. So let's click onto this from scratch. Enter right here the name, the subject, and also add in here the details that you want added. And once you're done, you can head over and save this template that we have available. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.